The U.S. government just took a 10% stake in Intel. Last Friday, Trump announced that the U.S. government would acquire 10% of the chip maker. As we all know, there was this CHIPS Act to try to onshore chip manufacturing. There's a lot of chip companies that are U.S., but they don't actually make the chips here in the United States. Most of the chips in the world are made in Taiwan, obviously, by TSMC. And so these grants were created, 9 billion of them were grants. There were also tens of billions in loans. And that was the CHIPS Act. We talked about it here many times 2 years ago. These grants have been allocated. They were not paid out. So Trump and Lutnick came in and said, hey, instead of giving this money for free, we would like to get something for it. And they are going to get non-voting shares. There's no golden share like in China where you get board representation and you can kind of control the board. This will be passive, no board seats, no governance rights. Lutnick was very clear about that on CNBC. This all happened 3 weeks after Trump called Intel's CEO, or called for Intel's CEO to resign over his ties to China. President Trump said, quote, "The CEO of Intel is highly conflicted and must resign immediately. There is no other solution to this problem," but they found a solution, which was to take 10% of the company. Let's stop there.